started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a rectangle here, and I'm going to make this thing in block. For preparing the things in block, what you have to do is you have to go for B, enter, that's the short key of block, and then just write it down. Let us say I'm just writing here as REC, that's for the rectangle. Then afterwards I'm going to go for picking a point, like this is going to be my point, and obviously my object is this thing. Then afterwards I am going to click on OK, and it is actually being created in the block. Now for inserting, I'm going to click on I enter, and whatever blocks you'll be creating, you'll be finding it somewhere here. So I'm just selecting this rectangle, then clicking on OK, and I'm clicking somewhere here. Now once that part is done, how the block is going to be helpful in our data using in our drafting, let us see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of the block and right click, go for edit block in place, and then click on OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing a little bit bigger. I'll be showing you a stretch command, but however right now I'm doing it a little bit faster. In some other tutorials I'll be showing you how the stretch command is going to work. However, now look at this thing, I just made this thing a little bit bigger now. I think it's far bigger. Just something a little bit smaller, let us say, like this. So what's going to happen is wherever you're copying that particular block, it's going to have effect everywhere. So I'm just clicking on save changes and click on OK, and you can see here that particular rectangle is also getting changed. If like this, like it may be n number of things which are available, and if you are just having the effect of one of it, like clicking on OK, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add something here like a circle, like kind of like this, and then click on save changes and then click on OK. Now you can see here everything is been having this particular small circle. So how this thing is